So let us now identify the parts of this downward facing parabola, and we have to sketch the graph, and it is given by the equation the squared quantity of x plus 1 is equal to negative 12 times the quantity of y minus 3. This is a downward facing parabola because the squared variable is x and 4c is negative. So let's have that negative 4c is equal to negative 12. So let us identify some information about this parabola. Let's have the opening, vertex, focus, directrix, axis of symmetry, and the endpoints of the latus rectum. Again, for our opening, this would be downward, right? So for the vertex, that would be at HK. Therefore, this is our H, and this would give us our K. So I have negative 1, positive 3. So this would be negative 1, positive 3. So trying to sketch the graph, this would be, let's say this is negative 1 and this is positive 3. So our vertex is located here. Now for our focus, that would be south of our vertex because this is facing downward. And we need the C value to get the distance. So I would be dividing this by negative 4 so that I can have C is equal to negative 12 over negative 4 is positive 3. Therefore, our focus is 3 units away from our vertex. So if I have at negative 1, 3, our focus would land at negative 1, 0. So this is our focus. So I have negative 1, 0. Again, since C is equal to 3, then this distance must be equal to 3. For the directrix, we would be needing the same distance, which is 3. So, if the focus is 3 units south of our vertex, directrix would be 3 units above the vertex. So, that would be at 6. Remember that directrix is a line. So for this case, since this is a downward facing parabola, the directrix is perpendicular to our y-axis. So the equation would now be y is equal to 6. For the axis of symmetry, it is a line that passes through the vertex and the focus. And this is perpendicular to our x-axis and also to our directrix. So this is our axis of symmetry. So it should pass the vertex and the focus. So the equation for the axis of symmetry would be x is equal to negative 1. Now, for the endpoints of the latus rectum, we would be needing this value, and that would be 12. Meaning that from the focus, we would be having 6 units to the left and right. So 6 units to the right of the focus would be at 5, and then 6 units would be negative 7. So this would be the endpoints of our latus rectum. So I would be having negative 7, 0, and 5, 0. And to give you a rough sketch of our parabola, it would be something like this.